Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about else block, how to use else with try, accept, and finally. Okay. So the first thing, obviously, for else block is the else block will be executed if and only if there are no exception inside the try block. That means if no exception, then try else and finally block will get executed, and in if exception is raised, then inside the try block, obviously, then except block will get executed, but the else block won't. Okay, so let us check the output of this program. First of all, first condition or first scenario, we can say, see, it is a try, else, and finally, because there is no exception. Okay, suppose now I'm writing over here print 10 divided by 0. That means exception is there inside the try block. Okay, now let us check the output of this. It is try block, except block, but there is no else block. Why there is no else block? Because obviously exception has occurred. Okay, so there are some possible combination with try, accept, else, and finally. Okay, so what are those combinations? Suppose if I write try and if I write print and hello, this much only, control S and F5. See, we are getting syntax error. So what it means is only try block is invalid. Only accept block is invalid. Only finally block is invalid. Because suppose over here, if I write accept, okay, control S, F, invalid. Suppose here if I write finally, only finally, and F. For all three, we are getting what? Invalid. So only thing which you all have to remember is try with accept is valid. Try with finally is valid. Try, accept, and else is also what? Valid. So for example, if I write try, okay, and then if I write accept, and if I write print accept block, okay, control S, we are getting the output. We are not getting any invalid syntax or something. Then as I said, try and finally, there is no accept, but try and finally. So here you all can see hello and accept block because I have written that message. Otherwise it is actually executing that finally block only. And try, accept, and else. As I said, all the three combination, else and print else block. Okay, control S. See here, try block and else block only because there is no exception. So obviously we are getting that. So that is all about the things which you can possible combination or you can say that we can use. Okay, in my next video we will start with the predefined exception. Obviously we are done with that, and obviously suppose if it is a user defined exception or custom exception, then how to handle those exception or how to write those exception in Python. And one more thing, obviously, when it comes to custom exception, we require the knowledge of this class concept, okay, object, class, and everything. So first, we'll make a video on class, like basic things, how to write class and all that things, and then I will come back to this custom exception handling. Okay, thank you, everyone.